doing a challenge. Ikaw challenge. Yes. Ikaw challenge. Anong ginagawa mo? Ready, kids? Ready ka na?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me first, okay?
Okay. And go!
I'm swimming across the lake. How about you?
Ako nag-exercise. Yan, gumaganyan ako. 10, 9.
I'm scratching the wall. How about you?
Ni-scratch ko din si Mingming.
I'm scratching even. How about you?
I'm scratching you. How about you?
I'm flapping like a butterfly. How about
Oh,
you?
you changed the movement na. Yun na. Ba't naging ganyan? Talo! 2. Okay. Magbubuhat ako ng dumbbell. Ikaw.
I'm cheering for you. How about you?
Pagmamaso ako, ikaw.
I'm sure may kilikili. How about you? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
O, kaming dalawa.
Action! Okay. I'm washing the dishes. How about you?
I'm washing your smelly foot. How about you?
I'm washing your dirty face. How about you?
I'm washing your dirty kitty. How about you?
I'm washing the floor. How about you?
I'm washing you. How about you?
I'm washing your dirty, smelly foot. 10, 9.
I'm washing your dirty ear. How about you?
I'm cleaning the clothes. How about you?
I'm mopping the.
10, 9,
Oh, how about
Eight.
you?
Ano naging mopping ang huli?
8,
I'm
7,
mopping the
6.
table.
I'm mopping your feet.
I,
I'm throwing money on the floor.
Yan, pwede pa.
I'm wasting paper. How about you?
I'm giving you money, brokey. 10, 9, 8,
I'm
7.
destroying your Roblox. How about you?
Huh? I am cleaning my fingers. How about you?
I'm washing my hands. How about you?
That's the same thing.
Same na yan, Kai. 10,
I'm-
9.
I'm washing my dirty neck. How about you?
Ano naging neck yan?
I bet your neck must be one atom now.
10, 9.
I'm